Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset passcode locked iPhone without computer, latest 2025 method. Simply, if you want to reset your passcode locked iPhone, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, simply release the power button. Release the power button and wait 10 to 20 seconds. You can see appears on screen. Apple logo appears on screen. You can see. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. When iPhone is completely turned on, iPhone is reset successfully without passcode, without losing any data. You can see, simply enter the passcode. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to reset passcode locked iPhone without computer. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.